Unleashing the power of color, a journey into bold and bright interiors. Imagine a world where your surroundings are a vibrant canvas, a mood-boosting haven. That's the captivating realm we're about to explore as we dive into the colorful rooms of 9 inspiring individuals. From vibrant kitchens to whimsical bedrooms, these spaces are a testament to the transformative power of color. But here's where it gets controversial. In a world often dominated by neutral tones, these brave souls have dared to embrace the bold, and the results? Well, you'll just have to read on to find out. Averil's colorful kitchen in Grand Rapids. Averil, a resident of one of the cloudiest cities in the U.S., knew that color was the key to brightening her kitchen. She chose arsenic green for the walls, Bond Street blue for the cabinets, and Rangwali pink for the freestanding pantry. But the real showstopper, the stairs painted in a sunny yellow inspired by the Dunraven Arms Hotel in Ireland. A true masterpiece. Britt's Strawberry Fields bathroom. In Portland, Oregon, Britt created a fun and fruity bathroom. With a gallon of peach and pink paint, a touch of green, and a dash of black, she painted a field of strawberries. Even the most detail-oriented engineer couldn't resist commenting on the realism. And the best part? The strawberries painted by Britt's son, adding a personal touch. Jess's instant happiness injection in Kent. English days can be gray, but not in Jess's spare bedroom. A bright yellow window and softer hued walls provide an instant happiness boost, even on the dreariest of days. It's like a ray of sunshine in a room. Chrissy's Pink Revolution in Salem. Chrissy, a newly single woman in Salem, Massachusetts, has embraced her freedom through color. She's painted several rooms pink, a bold move that she couldn't have made during her married life. It's a sweet reminder of her strength and independence. Shelby's Perfect Blue Living Room. Shelby from Peoria, Illinois, mixed 2 blues to create the perfect living room hue. A true artist, she crafted a space that's both calming and captivating. Allison's Warm, Witchy Library. As a therapist, Allison wanted a background that was both neutral and interesting. She created a warm, plum-hued library, a space that's both inviting and unique. Her millennial clients often remark on the color, a nice point of connection for Allison. Krista's Green and Pink Paradise. When Krista's 10-year-old daughter asked for a green bedroom, she was hesitant. But by balancing it with pink, including a tiger wallpaper, Krista created a space she now adores. It's a perfect blend of fun and sophistication. Paige's Art Teacher Chic Living Room. Paige, a resident of Northville, Michigan, wanted to bring art teacher chic to her living room. She chose a bold color, one that her mom initially questioned, but in the end, it was a hit, adding a unique touch to her home. Jessica's Shared Room Adventure. Jessica let her kids choose the color for their shared room, and they went for a very bright blue. Despite her initial nervousness, the room turned out beautifully. The furniture and artwork pop, and the space feels happy and cozy. So what do you think? Are you ready to embrace the bold and bring some color into your life? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories and see your colorful creations.